Hello friend, today my first unboxing video and I'm very excited about it. It's the Hologram Microcosm. I've been thinking about it a lot, whether I should get this better or not. I was like you, seeing a lot of videos and being posted and people showing off with this pedal, and I wasn't sure if it was a hoax or just the moment. But recently I sold a lot of my gear, and hopefully because I kept the box and I kept the gear in good condition, I made up at least 90% of the face value of what I paid as new. And in some cases, some gear that I bought in 2015 and 2016 with the inflation, I even managed to sell them with a profit. And because I was thinking a lot about this hologram microcosm and I wasn't sure if it was really good or no, well, I thought the best way for me to know is to try it myself, so here it is. So now what I'll do is, let's look first at what's in the box. I also got myself a nice t-shirt from Hologram. It's about $25, and well, we all wear t-shirts, and it will be a nice souvenir for me in case I get to sell it or in a few years. It's a nice looking t-shirt, it's original. And now into the beast. So let's open this. I like the colors, reminds me of the vintage German football jersey, or soccer for the American. Hello, I'm Microcosm. So we have the manual that maybe I'll read, or I'll rely on my musician peers on YouTube to get to know how to use this pedal. And you have another manual. This is the power plug. When you buy it online, you can choose the region, and because I'm in Canada, well, they sent me the USA one. And yes, it's a good one. This is great. We have two stickers. Here's the white one. I guess there's a black one as well, to make sure that there's no controversy. All lives matter. And here's the box. On the touch, I'm not disappointed at all. The knobs feels well. So first thing I notice is it's a pedal, so it doesn't have this on-off button. It's big enough to have the on-off button, but I guess like the others, I'll have to use the foot switch that I have below to turn it on, or you can just unplug it from here, but I don't like to unplug it from here because you might damage the material. So the first thing that I will do, I'll plug it. Let's try it out. I'm not reading any manual, because who reads the manuals except people on the internet that tells you to just read the manual. And I will plug it with my Electron model cycle, because this one is fairly easy to use, and I'll test it with the kick, the hi-hat, the snares, and see what kind of effects and what's the output that it gives. And this will be in the next video. Thank you for watching.